Good morning to all of you. Myself, Mr. Bausaib Dabhade, your geography teacher. Dear student, last online lecture we discussed about the earth and the solar system. We discuss about the solar system. What is meaning by solar system? There are 8 planets in the solar system. Solar system means the sun and the 8 planets together from the solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are the 8 planets in the solar system. So dear student, today we discuss about new point in this chapter, point name natural satellite. Natural satellites are celestial bodies that orbit some planets. They are also called moons. The earth has one moon. It is the second brightest object in the sky after the sun. The moon does not have its own light. It shines because the light from the sun falls on it. Natural satellite means upagrah. Natural means नैसर्गिक. मून हमारे अर्थ का नेचुरल सैटेलाइट है. वो खुद का ब्राइट नहीं है. सन की एनर्जी की वजह से मून ब्राइटेस्ट होता है, चमकता है. हमारी अर्थ एक ऑर्बिट पे, फिक्स ऑर्बिट पे मतलब रोटेट होती है. उस तरह से मून हमारी अर्थ को एक राउंड कंप्लीट करता है. सो दैट्स वाई मून इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द नेचुरल सैटेलाइट. अंडरस्टूड? द मून इज अ नेचुरल सैटेलाइट ऑन द अर्थ सरफेस. Understood? Next point, asteroid and comets. There are a large number of rock pieces found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. They are called the asteroid. Asteroid means small piece of rock. पत्थर, छोटे छोटे पत्थर. It is called as asteroid. And these small rock piece available between the Mars and Jupiter. Mars और Jupiter के बीच में कुछ ऐसे छोटे छोटे पत्थर है, इनको बोलते हैं asteroids. There are some celestial bodies that are formed of dust, gas and ice. They have a long tail and glow when they come near the earth. Such celestial bodies are called the comets. Asteroid and comets. Comets means the form of dust, gas, ice, these all the particles near the Mars and Jupiter. It is called as comets. There are 8 planets in the solar system, but Mars and Jupiter, these 2 planets, there are some small pieces available. Rock, ice, gas, dust particle. It is called as asteroid and comets. Understood? Next point, Earth is a unique planet. एक वैश्विक ग्रह हमारे अर्थ को क्यों बोलते हैं? We live on the planet Earth. It is a unique planet since it is the only known planet to have life. It is the third planet from the sun and lies between Venus and Mars. हमारे अर्थ को क्यों यूनिक प्लैनेट बोलते हैं? Because the only life available on the earth surface and the only water available, ecosystem available on the earth surface. Let us now learn what makes the earth a unique planet. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. The atmosphere contains oxygen, carbon dioxide gas, the two most essential gas needed by living organism. Every living organism needs oxygen to breathe. Plants need carbon dioxide to make food. Why the earth is also called the unique planet? Point number 1, atmosphere. Atmosphere means mixtures of gases. Dear student, oxygen is a very important gas because oxygen is needed for every human being. Breathe gases. Then carbon dioxide is very important for the plant, food. So that's why Earth is also called the unique planet because atmosphere available on the Earth surface. Other planet this condition is not available. दूसरे planet पे ऐसी परिस्थिति नहीं है. Then 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered with water and 1/4 is land. Water is found in ocean, rivers, lake and also undergrounds. Living organisms need water to survive and land to live and grow. Dear student, Earth is also called blue planet because the water available on the Earth's surface. Water covered means the long part, 1/4 land and 3/4 part covered on the water bodies. Water available, rivers, oceans, lake, ponds. ये सब जगह पे हमें पानी मिलता है. पानी अवेलेबल है इसलिए अर्थ पे लिविंग सिस्टम, फूड्स, प्लैनेट्स अवेलेबल है. इकोसिस्टम डेवलप. सो दैट्स व्हाई अर्थ इज आल्सो कॉल्ड द ब्लू प्लैनेट. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, द अर्थ इज नाइदर टू फार from the sun like Neptune, which is very cold, nor too close to the sun like Mercury, which is very hot. This ensures that the Earth's atmosphere has the right temperature for life to exist. Dear student, distance from the sun, this is very important point. हमारी अर्थ इतनी भी सन के नज़दीक नहीं है कि टेम्परेचर हॉट हो जाए. For example, Mercury is a very nearest planet on the sun. Then हमारी अर्थ इतनी भी दूर नहीं है नेपच्यून जैसी. The Neptune planet is far away. So that's why temperature is very cold. Understood why the earth is also called the unique planet? Because the climatic condition and the temperature is very suitable on the earth's surface. So dear student, today we discuss about natural satellite, asteroid, comets, and earth is also called unique planet. Remaining part we will discuss in next online lecture. Thank you.